On the left-hand side, go to text, add a text box. For this example, I'm going to create a clickable button for my YouTube channel. So I'm just going to say, subscribe here. That's my call to action. Now I could come over to the element side and search for a button and go through all the button options here. So for example, if I like this one, I can change the colors of this to show a different color. And then fit it so that it fits my text. So that's one way to do it. Another way to do it is to click on the text and then go to effects. And then in the effects section, click background. So the advantage of this is that this will act like a button is created. So I can adjust the roundness of the button. So if I adjust it to a full roundness, this is what it looks like. I can adjust the spread, how much area I want it to cover. I can also adjust the transparency, and I can adjust the color. And the great thing about this is that this will dynamically change with the text. So you don't have to worry about adjusting the button, moving it to a different location to fit the text. This will automatically adjust with the text itself. So if I were to extend it, the text to write even more, then this button you can see will automatically adjust with it. So you don't have to make any further changes to it. So I can change here the font, the color. And once I'm okay with this, then I'm gonna come over to click on the text and then come to the bottom and select link. And I'm going to paste my YouTube channel here and click done. Click done again. And now whenever I click on the text here, it will automatically redirect to my YouTube channel. So when you download this design, you come over to share, download. Make sure this is a PDF print and not a JPEG or a PNG, because if you download it as a PNG or a JPEG, you won't be able to have that clickable button action when you're trying to click on the button. So make sure you download it as a PDF instead. And so if I click on the link itself, then it will automatically redirect to my YouTube channel. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.